But it's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
She's beginner.
Kamusta?
Mabuti
Ate?
po.
Oh,
Mabuti po, kuya.
Ito, yeah.
Abang.
Good afternoon.
Magandang hapon po.
Yeah.
Now you roll out
So
with your
cool.
Yeah. What do you do right now?
I'm doing batik.
Oh, batik.
It's not that easy as I thought.
Of course.
So difficult.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yes.
I might disrupt
Yes. No,
your
no, no,
concentrate.
It's okay. Very difficult.
Very difficult. Yeah, this is very difficult, right? How about in your country? You have also?
Yes, we have batik and it's expensive
Oh, expensive.
in the Philippines.
Mm. How long you stay in Indonesia?
I stayed until August 18 to September 4.
Oh, still long time, right?
Yes.
You have 9 days, more than 9 days.
More than.
Yeah.
I
How about-
have 3 weeks.
No, 3 weeks. How about Setu Babakan right now? When you see Setu Babakan menari more than 1,000 more people do it dance together.
It's nice. It's nice because I got to see the traditional Indonesian culture
Yeah.
here.
And then,
And the Indonesian are very hospitable and kind. I like the fact about that.
of course. Thank you so much.
No, terima kasih. It's me who should thank all the Indonesian people.
Yeah, you also maganda.
Salamat. No, pangit. No, that's
No, it's not
true.
pangit, right?
No,
Maganda.
that's pangit.
Because before I have a lot of friends from your country, like Philippines, India, and then Nepals and other country. That's why I know a little bahas Tagalog like that.
Thank you.
Okay, how
Thank you,
and then what's your name?
Michelle
Ate?
Piolo.
What?
Michelle Piolo.
Misa Piolo. Okay, thank you so much.
Yes,
Bye bye.
welcome. Terima kasih. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Abang. Thank you.
Okay, bye Ate.